Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Recently we did the review of the newly launched Honor Band 4 and today in this video we will do a detailed comparison between the Honor Band 4 and the Mi Band 3 and find out which one is better and value for money. So let's start. Honor Band 4 and the Mi Band 3, they are the budget fitness trackers which offers lot of features comparing to the expensive smart bands. The price of the Honor Band 4 is Rs 2,599 and the Mi Band is available for Rs 2,000. Even though the Mi Band 3 is priced less, but there is a huge problem of availability. Most of the time the Mi Band 3 is out of stock where the Honor Band 4 is readily available on Amazon. Now let's start this comparison with the design and the build quality. Both the fitness bands comes with a rectangular display with silicon band. Mi Band 3 display has rounded edges where we have a simple straight line in the Honor Band 4. The strap is also different in both the bands, and in the Honor Band 4 we get the traditional style which I prefer over the click button strap which we get in the Mi Band 3. But there is one advantage here for the Mi Band 3 users, that they have lot of wristbands replacement available on many different websites where there is no option of any other design strap for the Honor Band 4. In terms of display, we have the 0.78-inch OLED touch display in the Mi Band 3, which has a resolution of 128x80 pixels. On the other hand, we have the larger 0.95-inch AMOLED color touch display in the Honor Band 4. It also has the 2.5D curved glass. So the color display is for sure an advantage over the Mi Band 3 monochrome display. In terms of performance, the visibility in indoor is very good from both the fitness trackers. But when it comes to direct sunlight, both struggles, but still the Honor Band 4 offers better viewing angle than the Mi Band 3. There is no protection on the display and after some time you will see scratches on both the bands, so we recommend using a screen guard. Moving towards the performance, the AMOLED touchscreen of the Honor Band 4 is quite smooth. Going through the menus and different options is buttery smooth, where in the Mi Band 3 we'll have to swipe on the screen with little bit more effort. There is no lag at all in both the bands, however, we notice that the Honor Band 4 starts to lag when we access the messages menu. In terms of their main usage, which is the fitness tracking, both performs wonderful, but with the True Sleep and True Screen technology, Honor has taken the real-time heart rate tracking and sleep monitoring to a different level. The sleep tracking is way better in the Honor Band 4 than the Mi Band 3. I have used both the watches for sleep tracking, and here you can see yourself that the data we got from the Honor Band 4 is more, and also you have a lot of details in reference. Where the Mi Band 3 is inaccurate when it comes to sleep tracking, and there is no provision of recording nap during daytime. On the other hand, you will see the nap timings with the Honor Band 4 with some useful information on the nap timings and its benefits. So definitely a big thumbs up to the Honor Band 4 for true sleep feature. Apart from the sleep tracking and the heart rate monitoring, other things like pedometer, calorie burn and distance is quite accurate from both the fitness tracker. In terms of notifications and connectivity, both offers incoming call and message notification, and you can also select different apps for which you want the notification on the band. Both the bands offers call silent and rejecting a call from the band itself. There were no issues in the connectivity, and I've been using the Mi Band 3 for quite some time and the Honor Band for over a week, and I never had any disconnection problem which some users reported. So make sure you give all the access and permission to the companion app. And about the companion app, we will talk in a moment. Both the bands are waterproof up to 50 meters and you can use them while swimming and workout sessions. But here the 6-axis sensor on the Honor Band 4 can recognize your different sim strokes. So if you do swimming, then you will definitely love this feature. As we are talking about the fitness features, both the bands has different fitness activities and the band uses your phone GPS to record your fitness sessions. There is one thing which disappointed us is that the Honor Band 4 does not offer all the workout options such as outdoor cycling with any smartphone other than Honor and Huawei. Similar thing we have noticed with the remote shutter option which was missing as we were using it with the Samsung smartphone. Don't know why Honor has done it, but I'm sure it will change with the future firmware updates. In terms of comfort, both the bands are comfortable and you will not even realize that you're wearing one. The weight of both the bands is around 20 grams which makes them really lightweight. Now about the companion app, the Mi Band 3 app is Mi Fit and for the Honor Band it's the Huawei Health. The pairing process is really simple and going through the menu in both the app is user friendly. Everything is presented neatly, but here again it's my personal preference, I like the Huawei Health app more. And now lastly, let's talk about the battery usage. The Mi Band 3 has the advantage here due to the monochrome OLED display. With the normal usage, we got a battery backup of approximately 18 to 20 days. And with the continuous heart rate monitoring, it was around 10 days, which is really impressive. On the other hand, the Honor Band 4 has a color AMOLED display which is larger than the Mi Band 3. And with the normal usage, the 50% battery on our band lasted for a week. And with the features like True Sleep and True Screen turned on, expect the half battery backup. The charging takes almost 2 hours for both the bands, and we get a 100 mAh battery in the Honor Band 4 and slightly bigger 110 mAh battery in the Mi Band 3. So to conclude, both the fitness trackers offer amazing performance keeping in mind the price range. And in this price, you're getting a lot of features and options from both the bands. Mi Band 3 has a slight advantage over the Honor Band 4 when it comes to battery life, but with the Honor patent technology, True Screen and True Sleep, you're getting detailed sleep tracking information and very accurate real-time heart rate monitoring. The display is also a plus point when it comes to the Honor Band 4. The color display is pleasing to the eye and looks more attractive, but again, it consumes more battery. So if you ask us which one is better, then keeping in mind all the features and options, we will definitely pick Honor Band 4 over the Mi Band 3. And to be honest, it all depends upon the personal preference, whether you would prefer the better looking screen over the battery life. Do let us know which one you'll pick out of both, and if you're already using one, tell us the name in the comment section below. So that's it guys, this was a full comparison of the Mi Band 3 and the Honor Band 4. Let us know which fitness tracker you like, and also tell us if you agree to the points which we have covered in this video in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.